president of our republic?
Well, I was the finance minister, so I was in politics. But we have not started talking about the NDC presidential race yet. Okay, if we get there, and I'm giving the nod, why not?
And potentially, if you should, let's say, hypothetically get elected as a presidential candidate, who ideally will fit the bill of becoming your vice presidential candidate?
I've mentioned that there are two people who are doing very well in politics. They are lawyers. I'm not a politician. Okay, they have. Look at Babin, about 30 years in politics. Look at this young man, Haruna, also so many years. Any of them, either Haruna, Idrisu, or Babin, could be my running mates. They're working hard, and they are in politics. Are they not? They will compliment me.
Now they are mobile here. Oh, umbrella. I'm a whole now. Watch a t-shirt. And there's a weekend, they dance for town to miss me beg t-shirt. Man, put me by the postcard woman who sent to miss me. They lie to you, say you don't need qualification. They lie to you, say you don't need the technical know-how. Because onim say so man who say we hear sa niama na obi ti say kwabena minta kando on to aba man say on koye MP because what you know bie Akufo-Addo settle COVID tax scheme wo mu ye adwuma de boa Ghana ye agi edin no na ye papa Mahama so ono dwene Ghana ho chi obi a enso kwale rekunipa 280 something people. Ebola mbedu Ghana who's getting na yedie. Such a disease aba. Nasa wo set up committee a minia. Nanke ye expect say committee a ya papa Mahama set ye no. Anka at least one suggestion from them say, oh, yes, so NDC caucus. Yet na sene ye health expert no. Ya bebe hu say ye A, B, C a ebeboa. Instead, ye try 100 million to and the schedule the first day 25 million. And the schedule and the scale there and 25 million. Such president to on Ghana. This was Kwabena Minta Kando. Oh, president to on Nipa. Hey, as some case they say about 25 million penalty to me. They say Obi. No, Akufo-Addo has lost it. Akufo-Addo, hey, Erade. Moses Sikanu so. Yeah, pay your Tampa budget. And your copy is Kakakran and Yesadia. Yeah, 200 million COVID alleviation fund. Hey, 100 million, hey! Omubewieska, yeah, Mr. President is stealing money. Hey, 100 million, hey, I can't buy tears here. Hey, 100 million, 100. Ah! Maybe you're paying for crowd in your coupon, your mobile frag, Papa Yesu. There's a demonic, there's a wicked minded, deliberate pretenders like Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Just say, what kind of boka party be in you? Boka, the mere party be in you? And this for my God Almighty. Asamaba Sekeni Yehu, President, I'm a finance minister. I gave you an 25 million. Italian family here for now. And this for to who go street so says Sekeni so. The money is not enough. We read the budget and we increase it. Hey, Debbie. Hey, Debbie, Yampini, Sikano Dosso. No. And now, Kwabena Minta Kando Jina Parliament to say the COVID effort has not been prudent. The vaccines, Grofon war vaccine. And then I'm saying, no news agency been actually. Ye di gamma phone ni na mu bo mo vaccine yo. Yes, yeah, what Ghana phone go say yeah what. I can't do vaccine na wujina wa wo pese wudi begu aban na nimu ase no. Ghana 40 Ghana o say yeah what vaccine no because kwasie bi a your friend Captain Smart. Bodamfo Jimmy for papa kromfo bi a wo be wi ase why na dwene say wo no de wo de tro krono and be live in life enu nti on kan no kura da na de oka bi aye tro Captain Smart be si hwei me hu say papa we abani TV no so say no nu ankwase TV no so akenyansa sem da ende oba no obedi abanyatam asem a won te ase no wo keka kwase bi sa no agina ho why nanim tum said that the singer say Captain Smart see a pro nanim say Kwame short abua bi sa no onu begina on meka me yentia Ekufuado abon Ekufuado enima membo Ekufuado aye niama basa Ekufuado ene baomia o ma bonbon ada no ma bonbon because kasapreko na wo hodada e no mo di o mo akotare ho se o mo ye kasapreko won say Captain Smart na dwene ye adwuma Minu ya wusu we nyansani mi bisa wasem Nkrumah factories are NDC for ni PNDC for tonton yo metina ho egu ye no sanko wo mu disika shemu dia na egu no e na tumi peja ni mu a me pa ton kenya Ghana mabunu na be ya kenne e na be ya adwuma ho Captain Smart enyuma na Nkrumah hye ye no NDC for to me disika shemu na ejina ya anka wo ma na wa wo mu 10 no ma na wa wo mu two no wo mu na benya mu adwuma ye enyam preko e na be ya adwuma ho Kasa preko yeni na yenim the struggles they were going through to the point say anka ye tompo liquidation time and am we afi 2014 we afi Kasa preko limited we afi Gihok distilleries na e kosen Gihok hono Gihok na e kosen now we a smart government here. They will continue to be the best president. I love Kufuor so much, but Kufuor and Bawumia will be the best president ever because they are so tactful and innovative. Very, 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 very tactful and innovative. We are buying waba. What the policy be about say? One district, one factory. According to the policy, no. Government in conjunction with private sector. Keyword. Government in conjunction. Abang any ankre boom asset up factories. That was a policy document. Enti mi bisa asemu. Me ya buy my ba. Gihok wo we. Ya diska kakra hwem mo support ni peja. Omu betumi succeed afa ni pa adwuma. Amanfo NDC for to say ye ni adwuma yo. Gihok egu. Ye peja Gihok mu ba. Ye benya Ghana babunu atumi akoye adwuma e wo Gihok. NDC for say enya depa. Captain Smart say e wo hodada e na ye de ho akwakoban. Na wa wo so we nyansani no wabisa ho say ah 90 se company wo ho na egu. Na se yetumi ye mane be ye nyane fa nipa sebe enya depa. Minua Anglo Gold, Ashanti Goldfields. Engu Yantum. Before 2016, Yantum Otumfo didn't go and plead with Mahama. Ekufuado baye. Prudence inti and that gold mine from boy say juma Goldfields say juma ya fe nipa omo ye juma ho. But now ho due to lack of management, due to mismanagement, due to yedi and yane namuntino sika ez yedi shemu na rane obuasi Goldfields ni nyamu sika no ni yemfa nye